Hey guys, this is Crazy Kid Gamer 42 Shooter, and we are doing a challenge. If I can eat one of these, which are the fourth most spiciest peppers in the world. Yeah. And yeah. You can read the labels on it right now. Right there. I have the labels. This is it. And this is not a lie. So, you're not doing a video right next to me, Rachel.
I'm not. I'm just playing a game.
Okay, so
Put it back in the jar. How hot is it?
and I can't drink any water, otherwise I'll fail the challenge.
But just in case, it's better than this. Are you okay? What? Are you okay?
This really burns.
You could have water if you want.
I know.
But that is...
I really hate spicy stuff. Nobody say that I'm lying because I'm not. It's actually pretty spicy.
It is? You're not. Yes, that's a hot pepper.
What do you think this is, Rachel?
Hot pepper. It's spicy and stuff, and it's hot.
Of course.
You know that I buy a new game right here too.
No one cares, Rachel.
No, it's
Just get one.
This is
No, this is not a jalapeno.
yeah.
This is the fourth. Go somewhere else, Rachel.
It's charging.
Then turn all the way down. Another one. You know what? I'm doing this for you guys. I'm gonna
Two
eat
more.
2 more. 4. Okay. At the same time. No, actually not at the same time. I'm gonna eat this one whole. I'm gonna eat this whole thing. In 3. Here, wait, just 1 second. 2. 1.
Do not open that water.
I'm opening it, just in case.
It's really spicy, guys. We used to try the spicy red peppers.
For your safety, don't do this challenge at home, guys.
Did you drink water?
No, I didn't drink water. Oh, it hurts.
That's kind of cheating too.
Mm-mm.
I'm just eating pistachios right now.
It still burns. Oh,
You have to do 2 more.
oh man. 2 more.
How about 1 more? You could do 1.
No, I'm doing 2 more. It's for you guys.
How about 3 more?
Everybody here, give me more subscribers, please.
How many subscribers do you have?
I'm not telling you because you're just. And why are you doing this with? You can't get in the video.
I'm not. I'm just doing.
It still burns in my mouth.
No pistachios.
For your guys' safety, don't do this at home. It burns way too bad. Okay, this is my rest period. So because I did 2 more, I did 2. So now I get to drink my water. It didn't stop. It still burns.
Okay, just do 2 more.
Should I do 2 more at the same time, Colin?
Yes.
I think I'm gonna die though.
I dare you.
You dare me?
Yeah.
Okay,
Wait.
I'll do 2 more at the same time. How many do we have
I
left?
hope you had a
Okay,
good life, Liam.
we have a lot left. You're not being in the video, Rachel, so say bye-bye to your dreams of being awesome. You're not in the video, Rachel. Okay. Okay, I need to do 2 more. 2. And, okay. I didn't fail the challenge because this is my rest period. I did 2 already. This last one, I'm literally scared. I have to do 2 at the same time, and I already know how spicy this is. I know how spicy this is. And this is going to be 2 times
Is
as
it
spicy.
your first time trying that?
No, I've tried this once, a little tiny piece of this before, and it burned my mouth out.
I'm not trying that.
And it still burns in my mouth, and I took 2 sips of water. Okay, 2 at the same time.
Uh-oh.
Rachel, stop. Okay. Come on. Oh, I got it. I got it, I think. I think I got it. I think I got it. Oh, shoot. Slipping. Okay. Okay. These are the 2 devils. I gotta spare my life, bro. And I can drink right after I put this in my mouth, I can drink as much water as possible. I'm probably gonna swallow this whole, so then this doesn't hurt that bad. But we have 2 of these devils right here. And this is about to hurt really bad. I love you guys. Okay. So everybody that's watching this is Crazy Kid Gamer, 42 shooter, and I'm about to get into the hot zone of peppers. Next one is gonna be jalapenos. Hopefully. where my friend is growing a jalapeno box that has a bunch of jalapenos in them. So he's gonna let me take one of his jalapenos and I'll make a video. Jalapenos, bro. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
It's really dumb, Rachel. Don't do this when you grow up. Like me. He's so weird. It's dumb to do, Rachel. Oh my gosh. 549. Why is not good? Hey, if you were dumb enough and nobody told you this, you would be doing it right now.
I'm not gonna drink water.
You would drink water. Drink water.
Oh.
Do not.
Still burns.
Can I give you water?
No. I don't need it.
Okay. It's not yummy. Oh, it sounds like peanut, but that. It's not that.
Oh man. Oh, and after. Water feels good.
What doesn't help?
Hmm?
You're starting to feel good. Does it sting still?
Mm-hmm.
Keep it in your mouth for like a little bit and then drink it.
Oh, that burns.
Oh, you know what? Helps ketchup. Ketchup helps. I know, it does.
Not for me though. I don't need it.
Try some milk. Milk helps. Does it still burn?
Still burns.
He ate 4 of them.
And it says warning on the back. Dang. It doesn't burn anymore now.
You drank 4 bottles.
4 bottles it took for me not to feel the pain, and it still hurts.
You drink that bottle.
This counts as 2.
Is that old? It's from yesterday. Okay, go. And you know one of those cups for Rachel's of those little bottles. This is from yesterday. Yeah.
Okay, guys. I will see you guys in the next video.
He drank
Everett,
5 bottles.
Everett, tell all your friends about this video.
Is Everett watching?
And Everett, everybody, tell everybody. You guys are awesome. Peace out. Bye.